Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab TabMax. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can adjust status bar. For example, you can enable or disable notifications icons folder, and select battery percentage to show inside battery icon or next to battery icon. Next, you can enable or disable dark mode or schedule it. Then you can enable or disable adaptive brightness, auto rotate screen, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds or never, change font size, set screensaver, and in the end, enable or disable ambient display. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.